Posting to Harmonize assignments. Many Canvas courses in the College of Social Work use Harmonize for discussion and annotation assignments. All Harmonize assignments are identified with the Harmonize name and logo above the top menu. There are several options for posting and sharing to Harmonize assignments. Be sure you read the instructions and review the rubric carefully so you will understand how your instructor wants you to post. To start a post, click your name. For a text post, add a title and type your response in the text box. Use the media icon bar to select other options for posting. You can record video or audio. If this is your first time using Harmonize, you may be prompted to allow the app to access your computer camera and microphone. You can upload images, add polling options, links, annotations, and other options. Use the preview option to review your post before sharing with the class. When you're ready to submit your work, publish your post. Harmonize assignments provide multiple options for interacting with other learners in your course. Follow us for more videos like these.